Hi guys, there are a lot of exam form you have to buy. Yeah, for example, SP Jain form you have to fill. Apart from the college form, you have to buy a few more forms. So these are series of videos which I'm making. So all these videos are available on cetking.com/form. Yeah, you can check out the link for all the videos I made earlier so far. So I made 3 videos so far. This is 4th video in the line. So in this video, we'll talk about all the colleges which are application is free. See, the moment we hear the word free, na ek maza aata hai, right? So these are the colleges where all the applications are free. So you can check out the link here, cetking.com/form. I've given you all the list of colleges where the application is free and paid. So this is how the list look like. The list is there. So here, if I search on this free, yeah, तो मज़ा आता ही आता है. Free का is always good. So these are the colleges I don't need to separately buy the forms. So there are 17 forms, 17 colleges where I don't need to buy the forms. Obviously, IIMs. Jamnal Bajaj form is free with the CET ka form. The moment you buy CET form, you will automatically applying for Bajaj and IIM ABC. IIM Lucknow again don't need to buy the form. IIM Indore, FMS Delhi, IFT Delhi, IFT Kolkata, I don't need to buy the form. That is already included in the college fee. So if you're buying the FMS ka form, you're automatically getting applied to all the colleges based on IFT. TIS, Mumbai and other campuses, I don't need to buy the form. Again, IIMs, all the CAT form, in CAT, all the IIMs are free. Only for IIM Rohtak, you might have to buy the form separately. Yeah, apart from IIM Rohtak, every form is included in this program, in their program. MICA, again free. If you're buying the MICAT exam form, MICA is free. SRCC form is free. Pumba with Pune College CET is free. And IBS and IBS other campuses is all free with the IBSAT ka form. In case you're buying the IBSAT ka form, all the colleges application come as a part of that. So these are the 17 colleges which are free. If you want to add again 18 college in Maharashtra, all the Maharashtra based colleges which have a MMS program is all free. For the PGDM you have to buy the programs. Yeah. For MS, it's all free. If you want, I can add a list here for CET based, all the MS programs in Maharashtra are all free with CET. Yeah. For all the PGDM programs, I need to buy the form separately. And all the colleges in Maharashtra with the MS program have an average fees of 6 lakhs and an average salary of 7 lakhs. From the ROI point of view, it's a decent ROI. Yeah. So this is the advantage of the colleges which are based in Maharashtra. So if I calculate the ROI, obviously 7 divided by 6, it's more than 100% ROI into 100. Yep. So these are colleges where you have the free application. You can take a screenshot of this thing, or you can go to our page cetking.com/forms. And you can check out the list there. Yeah, so you can just pause the video and take a screenshot of all these colleges. I don't need to separately buy the form. So, but apart from this, every college I have to buy the form. You name the college, you have to buy the form. Where to buy the form? From the college website. I'm going to make the video for all the top colleges which are there. For most of the top colleges, I'll make a video. Okay. So go to cetking.com/form. I've given you the list here. You can check out the list here. I'll update this list with the other things as well as we go along. Alright, all the best. Anything you want me to add into list, you can please tell me. For example, someone said that please put in the cutoff as well. So I'm working on that. I'll update this list with the cutoff also, cutoff of all the colleges. I'll try to add whatever you want me to add. I'll try to add as much data as you want. Alright, all the best.